Okay, welcome back, guys. Today we are on day 3 of our modifying a document, and you're going to notice that we have 3 short challenges here for today. And the first one, as you can see, we're going to be bolding the first word of each sentence, italicizing the second word of each sentence, and then underlining the third word of each sentence. So let's go through and do that here first. So we're back here on our modifying a document. Again, if you don't know how to open this, you're going to have to go to your Google Drive, and most of you can find it in your recent or up here on my drive. Okay, now that it's open, again, we are going to be bolding the first word. So I'm going to click and highlight the first word of the paragraph. I'm going to select B for bold, or as you can see, it could be also done by Control B. Next, going to be highlighting the second word, and that's going to be italicized, or you could use Control I. And then for the third word, it will be underlined. Again, click on the icon or Control U. There you go. Go to your next sentence. And notice if you'd rather, instead of clicking and dragging over top, you could double click on the word. You could bold it. Double click on the word, italicize. Double click on the word and underline. Okay, I'm going to stop here. I'd like you to finish up the first and second paragraphs with bold, italic, and underline for the first 3 words of each of the sentences. Okay, give you a moment to do that. Okay, here we go again. As you can see, we have our first word bold, second word italicized, and then the third word underlined. Good job, guys. Now let's look back at our directions. Our second direction for today is right align your name heading. Left align the first and second paragraphs. So your name heading up here at the top, we're going to highlight those 3 categories, and we're going to go up here to our alignment. Notice left align, center align, right align, and then justify. It's asking us to right align, so let's click on right align. Easy enough. It's asking us to make sure that our first and second paragraphs are both left aligned. Let's highlight that. It's already on left, but I'm just going to double check on that, make sure it's left. Same thing here for our second paragraph. Again, left align. And that's all good. So your step 2 is now done. And last but not least, you have your third step. It says add a title, modifying a document at the top of the page in between your name heading and the first paragraph and center align. So come up here and type in modifying a document. There you go. And I'm going to center align it, and then obviously spell check it to correct it. And that's it for that one. And that is that will complete our day 3 challenge. Good job, guys.